Hello friends, once again I welcome you to the YouTube platform of Anag Academy. As you all know that we are running a series for the upcoming RAS mains examination that is being to be held in June 2024, and for that we are discussing all the current affairs from July 2024 to the 15th of June 2024 in three modes: weekly, monthly and quarterly. At present the weekly series is being running by the academy, and for the that weekly series we are also running a mains examination series for that particular time period of uh, current affair that is being discussed in the weekly lectures. Okay, and for that the important current affair questions in the format of 15 words, 50 words and 100 words are being discussed in this video, and I request you to first go to the reference video which is being published today itself on the YouTube platform of this Anag Academy. First go to that video, watch that video and clear all your concept. After that you come back at this video and write the questions at your level. First you write the questions, then tally your answers with the model answers, and find out the where is the gap between both of them and rectify your errors, your mistakes, so that you don't mistaken in the upcoming real time examination which to be held in June 2025. Okay, and if you are thinking this is not required to be go to that video, okay, just write the question answers here and then tell your answers and repeat the process. Okay, so let's start, don't waste time, and start the content. The first question is, what is the main objective of the PM Kusum scheme? Okay, so the answer is the main objective is to promote solar energy in agriculture, increase farmers' income, and reduce dependency on the grid for irrigation. Next one is the who led the revolt in Awa during the 1857 uprising. So Thakur Kusal Singh Champawat led the revolt in Awa during the 1857 uprising. What is the purpose of GPU purchase under the Indian AI mission? Okay, India AI mission, and this one is also the target of the Indian AI mission. Okay, so answer is to provide the Indian startups, researchers and other organizations with necessary high performance computing capabilities to develop artificial intelligence models. Okay, and I once again request you to, if you are new to the channel and have not subscribed the channel, I request please subscribe the channel so that no video can be missed out by you for the examination. And this is the QR code of our channel. You can join our channel by the just scanning this particular QR code. Okay, next is 5 marks question and 50 words. Explain the role of the digital platform in the progress of the PM Kusum scheme in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, the digital platform enables the real-time tracking of PM Kusum scheme progress, land mapping via drones and efficient monitoring. It helps to ensure fair compensation for landowners, reduce management related issues and assist in quick corrective actions, enabling the state to achieve its renewable energy goals. Okay, take the screenshot of this particular slide so that you are able to revise the contents at the peak exam time in the last 15 days of the RS mains examination. How can the next question is, how can the national pest surveillance system be beneficial for Indian farmers? Mention, you have to mention the process. How can, okay? Though so NPSS connects the farmers with the agriculture scientists using AI. It assists in the quick identification of pests and disease. Okay, then accurate diagnosis and scientific management. This lead to the increased crop yield, reduced losses, improved soil health, and decreased dependence on the pesticides, resulting in increased farmer income. Okay, this one is the outcome of the particular system. Okay, next one is explain the significance of the initiative by the Jai and Vyas University, Jodhpur, to create containers from millet husk. Okay, so the initiative by the JNY provides a sustainable solution for the storage of fruits and vegetables using agricultural waste like millet husk, it can reduce approximately 15% of annual pay post harvest loss. Okay, post harvest losses. This innovation not only prevents waste but also serves as an example of value addition to agricultural residue. Okay, this one is the exact outcome of the particular project that is being researched and developed by the JNV Jodhpur. Okay, now the questions of 10 marks and 100 words. The first question is, analyze the role of the Indian AI mission in making India a global AI power. Discuss the effectiveness of the public private partnership PPP model in achieving its goal. So the answer is, the India AI mission is the crucial for establishing India as a key player in the global artificial intelligence landscape. It main its main objective is to build high performance computing HPC infrastructure necessarily for indigenous AI development, particularly targeting GPU capacity, approximately 10,000 plus GPUs. It will provide accessible resources for startups, researchers, and academic institutions to develop cutting edge AI models. The public private partnership model is effective in achieving this ambitious goal, as it addresses the need for sustainable investment, leverages private sector expertise and operational efficiencies, and mitigate risk through viability gap funding. Okay, and facilitating rapid and efficient infrastructure development. So this is the major role of the India AI mission in making India a global AI power leader. Okay. Next question is, how can program like the India is ASEAN is the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Okay, India ASEAN Agricultural Fellowship strengthen relationship between India and the Southeast Asian countries, particularly in agriculture, education, and research. Discuss that. So the answer is, a program like the India ASEAN Agricultural Fellowship strengthens relations in multiple dimensions. At the academic level, it promotes the exchange of students and researchers, facilitating share of knowledge, best practices, and innovative research. It introduces ASEAN students to India's leading agricultural institutions, laying the foundation for long-term academic collaboration. So this one is the academic level. Now this one was the academic level. Now the diplomatically it enhances the people to people connectivity. People to people connectivity is a diplomacy uh, scheme. Diplomacy performer of one of the diplomacy performer in the diplomacy of any country. Okay, so people to people connectivity and fosters mutual understanding and cooperation to tackle shared agricultural challenges such as climate change, food security, because the climatic conditions of the Southeast Asian countries and India are almost same. So the challenges and uh, disease in that area is also almost same. So both the ASEAN bloc and India, if develop a particular solution, that will be beneficial both of them. Okay, this aligns with the what diplomacy and academic partnership will aligns with India's Act East policy and deepens the partnership in crucial sector like agriculture, thereby strengthening the overall bilateral relations. Okay, so next, so I request you to please take the screenshot of this particular slide and make revisions as much as you can, so that no error will be happen in the real time examination when you appear at the exam center. See what happens in the exam center, there is the pressure of exam hall also. So here if you think this question is not as much level or as much the particular question is easy, so because you are at this moment your mind is free, you haven't any kind of pressure. But at the exam time, there are students make silly mistakes, due to which they lag behind almost 5 to 10 marks. And if you see, 5 to 10 marks are major change for such kind of examination of RS, where there is neck to neck fight for the particular seat. Okay, so I once again request you to please subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel or haven't not have not subscribed the channel. And you like, if you like our content, please make like at the video. And if you have any kind of doubt or any kind of query, please make mention in the comment section, so that our team and I will also particular personally will answer that question, your each and every query will be answered by the Anag Academy. So be connected with us. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.